Hi guys, welcome back to Code with Mousree and my name is Mousree. So today we will learn how to make Dodge car game in Scratch 3. Let's see. So this is the car game and the first I crashed. Okay. It's actually a little bit hard. Okay, I did it. Okay. It's actually fun. And this looks like a little bit 3D. Oh, I crashed in a score of 50. So, I crashed in the first with a score of 10. Okay, let's see how to make it. So first of all, I need to tell you that there are total 5 costumes. I was gonna tell 15. Okay, so there are 5 costumes. 3-1, 3-2. Back of car means actually it's my car. It should be my car. These are opponent's car, like front of car and front of car, which are coming towards me. So let's see the 3-1. Okay. So the costume of 3-1 is this, and I got it from Scratch library, like from here. And this is the code of 3-1, and the acceleration is only for 3-1. Okay, you can't see the acceleration in my car, but you can see the acceleration in 3-1 and 3-2 in both here. So acceleration is the speed. So this is a code of 3-1, and a slight change is done in 3-2. Okay, these are X's actually. Okay, so this is the slight change in 3-2. Just in the change X, this is 3.6 and this is the minus 3.6, and there are some small changes up here, not too much. And let's see about my car. So this is the code of my car. It's just simple, very much simple, like just go to here and don't forget to start this from here. This is the good position to start, otherwise you will get crashed according to the code. So start it from AX X80 and Y minus 137, and this much is it. And go to the front car means the opponent, one of the opponent car, and this is the costume of one of the opponent car. I got it from Google. If you want to do it, then choose a photo or image from Google and go to my video in the link of the description box, and the video says that how I cut the background of an image. Okay, so this is the front of the car and its script of code. Okay, so this has a major change than these two, because the change Y, change X, change size, and switch costume, weight, these are very important, and mainly the repeat one. But the repeat one is not changed in the 3-1 and 3-2, but changed in the front of car. And again in the front of car 2 means another opponent car, there is also a change, major change. It is minus 0.25, but this is 0.40. And this is repeat 70, and the size is really small. You can see the size is only 10. So